Welcome to CIIT Latam, Mr. Ali. You are the CEO of Innovative Artificial Intelligence, and try to explain us what is the develop that you making artificial intelligence.
Thank you so much for having me here. I'm so excited to talk about advanced analytics and AI applications, mining, specifically in this fantastic event in Peru. It's the first time for me that I'm here. I'm so excited to see some people interested in this area. And yeah, it's a long story, but for about 15 years, I focused actually on applied AI in mining and found how artificial intelligence can help us to have a better mining, safer mining,
more efficient
mining, and also reduce the cost. And also sustainability is one of the key points that we need to consider in mining area is sustainability. We want to have the very clean mining in the world. We need to think about our environment. We need to think about the decarbonization if we want to have the sustainable mining.
And how your company contributes to make a more clean mining? So not in Peru, around the world.
Yeah, around the world. Yeah, actually we are focusing on three main areas. The first one is prediction, the second one is optimization, and the last one is developing virtual AI-based assistant.
Okay.
So if you can predict something that will be happening in the future in different areas, definitely you can make a plan to have a better mining. So AI-based applications can help you to predict something that will be happening in the future. If you are talking about haul trucks, if you talk about excavators or about crushing, everything, it's not a good idea just to sense and respond. It means that just sitting here to see what is happening or what happened, and later think about how can I do something to have a better
operations. You have to anticipate the events.
Yeah.
So the prediction makes you more fast.
Definitely. Artificial intelligence can help you to predict something that will be happening in the future and prepare yourself and your organizations to have a better action in the future. It's just the first part. But the second part is about optimization. Prediction is always good, but we are thinking about how we can optimize our operations to have a better performance in the future. I'm not just thinking about money, I'm just talking about everything, about the people, how we can take care of our people, how we can help our society, to have a better mind.
And AIG, the environmental.
Definitely. So when you predict something, optimization models can help you to optimize the effective parameters on that event to reduce the costs, reduce the hazards, reduce the problems in the future, and having the better operation. As one example, one whole truck consumes a huge amount of diesel. We have more than 35 effective parameters on fuel consumption. You can make the prediction model to predict the fuel consumption in the next shift, next day, next 2 days. But optimization model can help you to optimize the effective parameters to reduce energy consumption.
Your main operations are in Australia? And
No. I have worked globally.
All global?
Globally, yeah. Before establishing my company, I was working for Vale.
Okay.
And EHP. And
from Brazil?
Brazil, yeah. For 7.5 years. I was leading a big AI team in Vitória, in Espírito Santo, in Brazil, to make the different AI-based models through the mine value chain, from exploration to marketing and sales. I had project in Sudbury, in Canada. In Ontario. I had project in Singapore, in China, in Brazil, Indonesia.
And how do you identify Peru as a market? We have a big mining in Peru, the commodities, silver, gold, copper, are increasing, and the critical minerals are the future. What was your radar, the radar that makes you?
Yeah, so I believe that Peru should be one of the best area that we can develop this type of the initiatives, because the maturity of the technology that you are using here in Peru needs improvement. It's my understanding. But having experience from other countries can help you to speed up your processes. Instead of just starting from scratch, you can use the previous lesson that we learned in Australia, in Canada, in the United States, bring all this experience and knowledge here and having the better operations in the close
We
future.
need that experience.
Yes.
Anglo-American Quellaveco in Moquegua is the most modern and innovative mining company in Peru.
Yes.
That the other ones have a long time to increase their...
Yeah, definitely. The prestigious companies have operation here in Peru, but something that is missing is the role of the startups and research centers who are working in this area in the agile methodology. You know, if you want, for example, to copy and paste something that happened in Rio Tinto or Anglo-American or Glencore in other countries, to bring this technology here, maybe it takes time based on the bureaucracy, based on the inertia, the huge inertia that I can see in these big companies. But my experience in the US and working with the startups in Silicon Valley or in California learned me this lesson that we can have the agile methodology to speed up the processes, digesting artificial intelligence, and because I'm talking about the innovative technologies.
And constantly making research.
Definitely.
No, laboratories.
The main part of that is research.
Is research.
Because you are walking in the age of knowledge. No?
Yes.
And you need every single day, you need to explore what's available in the market and how you can make a benefit or value of this technology in mining areas.
To the mining areas.
We know that if, for example, in aerospace or car manufacturing, you are using huge robots or you are using artificial intelligence.
And other fields are oil,
Definitely.
gas, energy, no?
But the question is that how we can use this technology in mining area and how we can make a benefit of this. So it's not a new approach because we already had Industry 3.0. We talk about the automation or something like that. But in AI, the story is a little different because the growing speed is very, very fast. 3 years ago, we didn't have idea about ChatGPT or LLMs or AI. But now all kids...
Or a Storm Stanford or Flexity. It's unbelievable, so fast. 5G, perhaps in the future 6G. Things are going very fast.
Of course. So having contribution with the agile startups who can make some value in mining quickly, it's much better than just working in the big companies with a lot of bureaucracy. You know, if you want to change anything, for example, in BHP that has 500,000 people, it's very difficult. You need permission, you need to invest huge money. So it's difficult. But contribution with the startups and small companies can help you to have a better progress in the area. So, but I forgot to say the last part of the activities in innovative AI because I talk about prediction and optimization. But the last part is about making decision algorithms. Now, thanks generative AI and AI agents, potentially now we have this capability to have one assistant, virtual assistants, sitting close to us, and we can ask any question that we have, and we can receive the answer quickly.
Quick, immediately, almost immediate.
And also, instead of just making a decision and just waiting to see the result of these decisions, AI agents can help us to find the effect of our decisions in the future in advance. So it is the last part of our activities in innovative AI to developing chatbots and virtual assistants for miners. I'm talking about all levels of operations, truck drivers till the executive managers.
Trucks. Now there are not remote trucks. They are completely autonomous.
Yeah, autonomous. So all
Unbelievable.
peoples during your organization can use this virtual assistant for making the better decisions.
Okay, congratulations. Thank you very
Thank you so
much.
much for having me. Thank you.